G'day people, in the kitchen today, gonna make shrimp and pineapple, and another dish will be beef and egg. So 2 dishes will be made today, and so hope you enjoy. We'll be back with the cooking, but here's the shrimp or prawn.
1 second.
So here's the pineapple here, just draining off the juice there. So this will be shrimp and pineapple. But I call this prawn, but shrimp and pineapple will go with that. So as I said, we'll do the cooking. So shrimp and pineapple.
Okay.
So here's some corn flour. And that's with the shrimp there. So that will go in there. Very good. So here with my wife and her sister and my mother-in-law as well. So we'll be back with a few clips and I'll gel this all together obviously. Okay, so this will be dipped in the corn flour and then this will be deep fried. So it's all moving along here in the kitchen. Faster, faster. So we're nearly done. We'll be back with some deep frying, I think. So this here has been boiling now, so nearly ready for the shrimp to go in. Okay, we're doing some testing now. So it's all very good. So the shrimp will go in, and this will be deep fried. We'll be back very shortly once it's all in. But things are sizzling and getting hot here in the kitchen. So that was just placed in corn flour. If you've watched my other cooking videos, you would have seen the corn flour. So that will go for a while and then it will be drained off. So very good, and we'll watch some technique being done here. Very good technique. Is this a Taiwanese dish? Yes, Taiwanese dish. Not Chinese dish or Japanese dish, Taiwanese dish. Very good. I'm the only male here in the kitchen with 3 ladies. Very good. Very good. Very good. They're getting nice and crispy and brown now. So they're nearly ready to be drained off. Okay, here we are, it's all drained off and we'll be back soon with some more. Okay, here we go, we've got some prep going on. Very good. Are you making a love heart or a circle?
Heart, like I love you. The heart.
Yes, I know you love me because I'm a handsome man and I treat you good. Very good. We'll be back very soon. My wife is making faces at me. Very good. Very good.
Yes, very good.
Here we go. This is the finished product. The wife's putting on some special sauce, which is mayonnaise, I think. But this is a Taiwanese dish here, because we are in Taiwan, of all things. Very good. Very good. Shishini. Yes. So if you've enjoyed, hit the like, subscribe, do all that fun stuff. This is fantastic. Very good. I'm looked after here in Taiwan. Very good. So here we are with the shrimp and pineapple. Very good. Or prawn and pineapple, whichever area you are. Yes, I'm on the cold brew coffee. But the brother-in-law he's on the 58 proof alcohol there. And put the other one down, baby. Here we go. Here's the stir-fry egg, beef, stir-fry beef and egg. And very good. It does have spring onions in it. Very good.
nếu mà con chơi à bờ bảo tàng Âu Châu vậy.
你冇會使去參加我婚禮咧，我 เราได้กิน